Hey everyone, we are live. Mike Rosart here with Graham.
The one and only. Here we go. It just came up on my phone now as a notification.
Nice.
So make sure you guys, if you haven't already subscribed, and hit the notification bell. Gotta hit the notification bell.
That's right.
This is trippy. I see myself now on this.
This is better. We get to watch each other on the thing.
So
if you guys have any questions, I'm going to wait for a minute. Probably people haven't got the notification yet to tune in. Once people start tuning in, then they're going to have questions about anything on Money Monday. You can talk about real estate investing. We can talk about money management, budgeting, financial independence. You know, you're buying your first property. You want to talk about specifics of that. You want to talk about cash flow management. You want to sell your business? You want to anything? Retirement planning? We are open to talk about this. Graham has a really impressive background, actually. For those people who are not familiar with Graham, Graham's got a huge following on YouTube there. How many subscribers now?
It's almost 137,000.
Wow.
Like mic drop.
Nice.
Mic drop, yeah.
I've got, 270 or something now?
Get in there.
So, you know, slowly getting there, but...
yeah, no, it took me, I think, almost a month and a half to reach 200 and something subscribers.
Wow.
For real. Like a month and a half.
That's about how long I've been doing YouTube as well,
Yeah.
I think now. About 2 months. So
yeah, that's good. That's good because I'm on Reddit and I see like some people are being like, I've been doing this for a year now and I have like 300 subscribers, and people are like, whoa, that's amazing. I've been doing this for like 5 years and I have like 150.
Nice.
So like, I think it's good.
Yeah, for sure.
So anyway, so you just got to keep grinding out the videos.
That's all it is. Oh, I think I see someone posted something. We have a live viewer here.
How can I sell my services to business owners? I think you'll have to be a little bit more specific. What type of services are you doing?
You're a master of sales, though. There are many tactics you can use to sell various things. So
no, of course.
You're with the expert.
But yeah, just be more specific about exactly what you're selling into what type of business. But anything you sell, I mean, you really just have to play to your strength.
You know, how can you differentiate in the marketplace? Because there's maybe 50 people doing something. What's your unique edge? What's your unique key six?
Oh, like in real estate, I've always just kind of pitched that like I'm really into what I do and I really have like so much fun with it.
Passion.
Yeah, it's passion. I would tell people to be honest and play to their strengths. So if like you're a brand new agent and you've barely been doing this, the deal to you. Whereas like for anybody else, maybe necessarily you. That's like the only thing that you have. So that's like your child right there. So you're not going to mess that up.
And it's hard to fail when you have that sort of energy behind something.
Yeah.
People will believe, and they'll, even myself, and I meet people, I look through what they're doing, I'm like, you know, you're gonna go.
It's contagious. You know, it definitely is contagious. Yeah, like if you're really into something, people just naturally gravitate towards that.
100%.
You know, than if you don't care. So we do have another few questions here. Have you noticed the real estate market getting a lot more? Los Angeles, yeah, if you don't know.
Los Angeles, California.
Yeah, Los Angeles, California. I absolutely do notice it getting a lot. Right now, I think a lot of people are trying to rush in to get the last little tail end of getting low interest rates. So in and we expect it to go probably to 4.8 to like 5. So right now you see people that I know the interest rates are going to go up. I don't want to get left out. I need to lock in something now. And right now they're trying to buy something and anything they can, especially the lower end. But it's just like everyone. That's a price range where everyone wants to go in and try to buy. It's a lot more competitive. It means that deals are a lot harder to find. Sellers are getting a lot cockier because they know that they can get like these really stupid high prices. So they're listing it at higher prices and they're getting higher prices. So it's a lot more competitive to get property, and you'll end up missing out a lot. Like I probably wrote like 20 offers, for myself, and that was like as an agent who has access to like anything. So I could get one place, and I kept getting like overbid, and like it just didn't make sense at certain prices. So I'll let you.
Yeah, so in London, Ontario, Canada, it is, you know, Canadian real estate is as hot as it's ever been, I think. I don't think we've seen this kind of growth in London, Ontario, really ever. We're seeing, you know, double-digit growth here in London, Ontario, And that's fueled a lot by people selling in metropolitans like Toronto, only an hour and a half, 2 hours away, and then coming here with a pile of cash and not really, concerning themselves with purchase price. I'm also seeing the same kind of thing, like 10 offers on properties, again, driven I think a lot by Toronto. That said, same thing about the interest rates. Similar thing happening here where you could get 2%. Now you're going to pay 3% for 3.5% for 5-year fixed type of loan product. So people are rushing in to lock in before interest rates, go even higher. And yeah, I think like London just as a market is just doing really, really well. The job numbers are fairly good. And rents have just been creeping up too in a big way. Like we've been seeing a lot of rent increases driving investment properties to increase in value substantially. We're seeing, we used to see bedrooms rent for $350, $400, and now we're seeing a 3-4 bedroom apartment renting for $450, $500 a bedroom for that same apartment. So you're seeing 20, 30, 40% more rent, then your cap rate has to adjust accordingly. So that's driving prices up too big time, especially with the minimum wage being almost $15 an hour here in Ontario.
Yeah.
That's driving up the rent, right? People can afford more. So yeah, that's London, Ontario for you.
All right, so the next question. By the way, let me know how the quality looks like for you guys. If it looks clear.
Can you hear us well?
If it's just not that good, let me know because I'm on my phone. Oh, you know what? It just picked up right now, so it's looking a little better. If you're having quality issues, though, just comment and let me know. The next question is, am I staying in the garden studio? And then also we talk about crypto for a second. No, I'm not staying in the back house. That's been offered though, but I have family up here. So
and we're filming actually right now in my guest room, so in my main house.
Yeah.
Tiny house is actually rented out on Airbnb tonight, so I'm collecting $39 tonight. So that's a small frugal win right here.
Passive income, yeah.
Money Mondays, $39 in my pocket, cha-ching. Add that to the pile of cash down here. You guys can probably see at the bottom we got a big fat stack of cash there. So
okay. By the way, really quick, Joe, let me know if the quality gets a little bit better. Because they're saying it's awful, but it looks like, I'm looking on my end, it looks like a little bit better. Like it just went up a level. So if it's still really crappy, just comment again, let me know.
Could be the streaming here, streaming.
That we're streaming it, but I'm not on Wi-Fi on my phone. So
so I don't know.
Hopefully, it should be a little bit better. Anyway, cryptocurrency, has our opinion changed last year about cryptocurrency? I think it's very evident that we were in quite the bubble, and everyone's like, it's not a bubble, it's not a bubble. It's evident now in hindsight it was a bit of a bubble. Still just as speculative as it was a year ago. The hype is worn down. At that point, it was hitting 20 go, and it could have hit 50. I mean, if it continued, there's nothing stopping it from hitting 50 or 60 or 30 or, now at this point, I think it's really settled down. It's really going to take something intense for it to really go up in price. It's not going to be on speculation anymore. If Bitcoin goes up on some actual utility or something actually backing it up versus just like, we think it's worth this price and this is, what it's going to be. So that's the way I think of it.
Yeah, I'm on a similar page. I wrote an article on my blog, 25andfree.com, when Bitcoin, for instance, was $20,000 price point. Thoughts were expressed there, and I thought it was expensive then. I still think it's expensive now, given it generates no cash flow, and there's no real tangible way to do anything with it except sell it to someone else for more than you bought it for.
Right.
So it's speculative in nature.
Yeah. We may need to try to...
Is it like pixelated?
The whole thing is really bad. I think it's probably best we do this once more.
Okay, we'll go off and we'll go back on. We can try and see if that improves anything.
Yeah, I think we'll have to do that.
Do you want to
just give it a sec. We're gonna try one other thing, and we'll be right back on like 2 minutes because I don't want the quality to be bad.
What do you see on yours?
It's just like it's going in between this and that. It's this is good.
Yeah, this looks good.
And then it gets really bad for a second. So
we will try again and see if it's any better.
One sec.